Tamarind drink, also known as Lemun Tsamiya. This is a childhood drink that brings back so many memories for me, especially during Ramadan. Growing up, Ramadan was always something I looked forward to, not just for the spiritual aspect, but also for the variety of homemade drinks and food prepared to break the fast. Lemon Samia was always one of my favorites. It's refreshing, nourishing, and perfect for a long day of fasting. Ramadan Kareem to my Muslim subscribers. Welcome back to With Love Aisha. If you are new here, welcome. On this channel, I share traditional African recipes, refreshing drinks, and simple cooking techniques inspired by culture and everyday life. This is something that you are looking for, kindly subscribe and join the family. Let me start by showing you all the ingredients. With that, we have the tamarind, fresh ginger, clove, lemon, star anise, and black pepper. These ingredients don't just add flavor. They also make this drink very healthy, especially during Ramadan or fasting. Tamarind help with hydration, digestion, and provide natural energy. Ginger support digestion and help reduce bloating. Cloves and black pepper aid metabolism, whilst lemon add vitamin C and refreshness. You see, all these ingredients that we are using for this recipe are very helpful for our health, especially during this time of Ramadan. This combination makes Lemun Tsamiya a nourishing drink to enjoy during Iftar. I begin by washing and prepping all the ingredients. The tamarind needs to be washed thoroughly to remove any shells or debris. This step is very important to ensure a clean and smooth drink. I also washed and chopped the ginger and prepared the remaining spices as you show me chopping the lemon as well. Next, I add water into a pot and add the tamarind, the lemon, the star anise, cloves, and half of the ginger. I used half of the ginger and half of the clove for later. I cover the pot, let everything boils. This allows the tamarind to soften and release its tangy flavor whilst the spices infuse into the liquid. Whilst the tamarind mixture is cooking, I take the remaining half of the ginger, the cloves, and the black pepper and blend them with a little water until smooth. This concentrated spice blend adds depth, warmth, and extra healthy benefits to the drink. After about 5 minutes, I'll go ahead to turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool completely before moving to the next step. Cooling is important so we can safely strain and blend without affecting the flavor. If you've been watching me till now, why don't you subscribe to your girl and join the family? Once the tamarind mixture has cooled, I add the blended spice and mix everything together well. Next, I will strain the mixture using a sieve into a clean bowl or pot, making sure to separate all the solid and get a smooth liquid. As you can see, after adding the blended spice, I went ahead to use my hands to make sure I squeeze it very well so that we can extract all the juices from the lemon, the ginger, and the tamarind. this is very important step. For sweetening, I use brown sugar. You can also use honey or any sweetener of your choice. I strain it with a sieve, as you see me doing. Make sure I squeeze all the chaff very well. Then I'll go ahead to sieve it one more time with my cheesecloth. That way we'll be able to get a smooth drink without any solid particles in our drink. With the last sieving with the cheesecloth, I'm gonna add the brown sugar as I mentioned earlier. Then I will strain it on the sugar. Stir everything very well to combine, then taste. This is where you want to adjust the sweetness to your taste. And yeah, this was so delicious. And just like that, your tamarind drink is ready. You can enjoy it as it is or chilled with ice for a more refreshing experience, especially perfect for your fasts. This drink is hydrating, gentle on the stomach, and packed with natural goodness. Lemun Tsamiya is more than just a drink. It's a reminder of home, family, and beauty of Ramadan tradition. If you enjoy this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe for more traditional drinks and recipes. Thank you so much for watching. May this Ramadan bring you peace, health, and barakah. Bye.